Hello everyone, I am Wahid Nabizadeh and I teach coding. Subscribe my channel if you want to learn coding with me. Today we are going to talk about JavaScript. JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. When we are talking about the web, we mean all the websites and web apps. JavaScript is easy to learn. If you are a kid or an adult, it doesn't matter. You can do it. This tutorial will teach you JavaScript from basic to advanced. So, let's get started. Today we start with a good example to see how JavaScript works. And we are going to learn about JavaScript methods. JavaScript methods can change HTML content. Let's see how. One of many JavaScript HTML methods is getElementById. And today we do a lot of things with this method. In this lesson we use the button tag, which is an HTML tag. And we add an event listener to it which is called onClick. This means whenever we click we execute a JavaScript code. The example below finds an HTML element with ID demo and changes the element content to Hello JavaScript. Here we have a button called Click Me, and when we click, the HTML content will change. JavaScript accepts both double and single quotes. The next thing we are going to learn is that JavaScript can change HTML attribute values. Let's see how. When we click on the button tags, the image source changes to a new address and we see the bulb turns on and off. In this example, JavaScript changes the value of the source attribute of an image tag to a new address. Well done. Let's learn more about this magical language. JavaScript can change HTML styles, which is CSS. When we click on the button, the style of p tag changes to bigger size. Here, JavaScript changes the CSS and HTML tags. The method is very easy. Let's see how it works. First, we get the element that we want to change. Then we set the size that we want, and that's it. Here is the result. It's better to pause the video here and test the codes with your computer now. Let's move on and learn more about this method. The next thing we are going to learn is how to hide HTML elements with JavaScript. Here is the example. Hiding HTML elements can be done by changing the display style into display none, and that's it. Here is how it works. When we click on the button, the p tag is set to be hide, and we cannot see the p tag anymore. JavaScript can show HTML elements that are set to hide. Let's see how. First, we get the element that we want to show. Then we add .style.display equals to block, and that's it. When we run the code and click the button, we can see another p tag. Okay, my friends. Now is the time to give you some important information about JavaScript. JavaScript and Java are completely different languages, both in concept and design. JavaScript was invented by Brendan Eich in 1995 and became an ECMA standard in 1997. It was the easiest way to start learning JavaScript, and I hope you understood everything very well. In the next videos, we are going to learn more. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.